It's Vlogmas day 20. It's getting serious now. It's feeling very like this is legit. 20 is real serious Vlogmas time, isn't it? I've just got to whack on a little bit of makeup because I'm going to wear a work Christmas jumper. I didn't feel like wearing something like really bulky, and this is the most slimline Christmas jumper that I own. I quite like this one actually. I think it's quite like understated as it goes. Of course I have my long sleeve top on underneath because can't be warm enough in 2025 apparently. I actually need to go. I didn't even take the eye patches off. I got up early this morning because something I was working on last night, the system, like this online software thing went down, so I couldn't finish what I was doing, but it did mean that I could whack on some eye patches because the puffiness is real at the moment. I mean, at the point where I was Googling the other day, like, what can I do about the puffiness in my face? And I am actually considering limiting the amount of salt that I ingest because it's getting to the point where I wake up in the morning and I can like barely open my eyes. It's insane. So I do feel like I'm going to look a little bit more awake because of that, but I'm not doing much of anything because as per I am running a little bit late. I've got like 5 minutes, even though I got up early. I was, stuff to do. Even though I got up early, I've got 5 minutes to get ready before I have to take Milo to school, and then we're going to pop over to Asda and get some bits. I think we're doing like an entire office buffet thing today for Christmas, and then tomorrow it's mostly just our team in on a Friday because we're doing like a lot of people, you know, I've talked about this before, our office, it gets busier towards the Friday, but it depends on what you do. So for some people it's the same as everyone else, like your job is like chill towards the end of the week, and for us it gets more manic. So we will be in tomorrow and we're going to do like a cheese board. It's basically like a second buffet. I am going to make cookies. A couple of months ago, maybe last month, I don't know. Time. What is time? We did like an impromptu Friday party. When things get a little bit, you know, it can get very stressful on Friday. And so a couple of us went out to Asda and went out and bought like mocktails and picky bits and stuff to make it feel like a Friday. And that went down very well. So I think I'm going to get some, although I did get a couple of mocktail things for the party last week and I didn't use them, so maybe I'll take those. But just some like, you know, alcohol-free, but that feels like a Christmas party. That's the vibe that we're going for. I had a better idea, much quicker. Dunkin' Donuts, because this is, I was going to buy a coffee and I forgot. I'm spending enough on donuts to be there. I thought it would be quicker. I don't have to leave the car to do a drive-through and get 24 donuts. That's my contribution to the buffet. It really is just rainy and dark all day long at the moment. That is what it feels like. Man, someone has parked so close to me. See, rainy, you're waterlogged now. Okay, I'm gonna go and get Milo from school and then we're gonna pop to the supermarket and I'm gonna get stuff for our second buffet. It was actually really fun and we had a quiz at work today. It did make me feel a little bit more festive, but I was thinking the other day, there's 2 people at work who've got December birthdays, and because we were going to do this little like work party thing on Friday, I thought maybe I'll make a little cake and be like, you know, sorry your birthday's in December. And then I found out there's a 3rd person, so now I'm definitely making a cake. I did that thing where I went to Asda and then I forgot something, so now I'm going to Morrison's and I said to Milo, do you want anything while I'm in there? And he was like, just for you to be as quick as you can. Yeah, I get it. Look how dark it is. Bear in mind that on the camera you will get more light than I am seeing in real life. It is so dark. It's so crazy. We also just saw about 1 million birds in a swarm. So this could be end of days type stuff that we're experiencing.
Go.
Tell me when you
go.
Go. Okay. I saw this online and I thought it was really smart. So when you put in, especially icy sugar more than anything else, but something that would usually like cloud up, like that for example.
Oh, this is painful.
I know, Lee finds this kind of thing painful for the cleaning of it all. But that was just a demonstration of what could happen if you didn't do this. So if I now turn that on, it'd go everywhere.
Don't do it.
Or someone online use a towel like this, put it all the way around, and watch it go everywhere. It's amazing! Especially for icing sugar. This is ultimate baking hack.
And barely any mess.
Barely any mess. It's been a minute. I've also smeared my eye makeup, it would seem. I've got the cookies ready to take to work. The muffins are for Milo. This is the cake. I'm not a great cake maker. I'm not. I have some icing to pipe to hopefully make this look cute. But we'll see. And then I've also got some writing icing, like same as this. I just put a little bit of extra icing sugar in it and chilled it. So hopefully that will make it so it's easier to write with. Time will tell. Don't be offended by my semi-nakedness. Just got out of the bath. I had to leave my phone on charge because it died while I was making the cake. Because I was watching Desperate Housewives. If you must know, since you're being so nosy, it was Desperate Housewives. I'll show you the cake. Show you the cake. I'm really pleased with it. Cross with myself that I chose blue because I feel like it's not the vibe. I should have gone pink. It's 2 girls and a boy, and I felt like I didn't want the boy to feel left out and do it pink, but I should have done pink is what I should have done. And then I like added in other blue to make the blue feel like, I should have done pink. Should have, I might add some, when I get it out to show you, I might add some more things. I put some sprinkles around the sides. That was more difficult than I thought it was going to be. I don't think I've ever written anything on a cake. I might have. I made our wedding cake. Not well, you understand. What you're going to see, it was no better than this. But I enjoy the process. It's fun. As long as I can like not overthink it too much and it's just supposed to be fun. And I can detach myself from the fact that it doesn't look very good. But I was thinking as I was writing the lettering, like, this is really, really difficult. And I don't know how people do it. The actual, like, how do they do it? How do they do it? I actually think that it was a mistake putting the icing in the fridge. I think it needed to be warmer, like more fluid. I'm going to try and make another one for my birthday. I want at least 2 birthday cakes, maybe 3. I can't be like shelling out money for multiple birthday cakes. Just for the gram, you know, for the vibes. Emma and Chris are coming up in Twixmas, and I think I'm going to do like fake New Year / fake birthday with Emma and Chris. We're actually going to see Emma and Chris the weekend of my birthday as well in February. But because I want to get some really cool birthday pictures, I don't even care. That is what I want to. I want some cute birthday pictures. It's going to be a big birthday. I want those Instagram, Pinterest worthy birthday pictures. And I've pinned so many birthday cakes, and one of them I really like says witches don't age, and I think that's really cute. So I might do that. I'd really like to make a heart-shaped birthday cake, but I don't know if I've got that in me. This one went really well. This is maybe, the actual cake itself might be the best cake I've ever made. Time will tell when we actually eat it tomorrow, but it was really just for the vibes. It was just to decorate. I did consider just buying a cake and decorating it. If it's awful tomorrow, I'll let you know. I'm not being like, it's not false modesty. I think this is decent, don't get me wrong. I just feel like could have been better. And it's mostly the blue. It's mostly the blue. I am pleased with it. Also, Lee said he doesn't understand why people make cakes. And I get where he's coming from. Because it's like, you just buy one, What are you doing with your life? But I have just spent probably 4 solid hours in the kitchen. I've got no space to put this. What are the chances that I'm going to knock it off the side? This is crazy behaviour. Stop doing everything you're doing right now, Mikhila. Yeah, I've probably spent 4 solid hours in the kitchen, not on my phone, not doing anything else. This is just the drinks fridge. We don't have like no food. This is just the drinks fridge. Total switch off. Just watching my Desperate Housewives, baking and icing this cake. You can see what I mean about the blue, right? Also, I keep looking at it like maybe I've misspelled something and I'm not going to notice until tomorrow. Also, all of the proportions of the writing are different. That M is enormous compared to that little tiny O. People make it look so easy and it's not. Anyway, the sides of the cake, there you go, are all sprinkled. I'm happy with it. Apart from that bit up there, what's going on there? Once people have cut into it, I'm fairly convinced it will be delicious. That'll be fine. And it's just thought, isn't it? It's just a thought. I have learned some things that I will take into my next attempt for my own birthday cake. I might have made too many cookies because this is just for us. This is the box that's going to work. This is just a family batch. Possibly overkill. I bought a glass bottle of appetizer at Drugstore Night the other day, and I'm going to drink it in my champagne flute because why not? I've actually been craving this today. I think it's because it's sugary, isn't it? Oh my god, I'm so thirsty. I'm pretty sure it is a sugary drink, and I have not been drinking sugary drinks. And I think what I've done is become addicted to appetizer instead of Lucasade. Is it better? I don't think it probably is. Better than Prosecco, right? So, you know, it all evens out. Just, do you know what? The amount of times I've like given myself paper cuts. I feel like I'm just being extra clumsy at the moment and hurting myself all the time. And so if there's an opportunity to just like, I do. Does anyone remember the Staples advert? Ooh, very, very almost spilled coffee all over the place there. Does anybody remember the Staples advert that was the most wonderful time of the year? Because obviously it's the most wonderful time of the year, I've heard this song a million times in the past week alone. And every time I hear it, I think of the Staples advert.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's that time of year again. They're going back!
Do you remember that? Is it just me? Is it just me that always thinks of that when they hear this song, especially at this time of year? Oh my god, it's so cold. Is that the first one of the video? Is that the first one of the vlog? Is it the first? I'm so cold. It might be. It might be. And it's the last. I also found enough containers to pack away all the biscuits. So it's been a good day. It's been a good day. It's been a busy day. It's been a long day, but it's been a good day. And it's been, what's the word I'm looking for? Like a productive day? It feels good. It feels good. Like I was saying earlier, it's not, I understand why some people would be like, what's the point? But for me, things like baking and crafting and stuff like that, it just is like total switch off time. Anyway, that's going to be it for today's vlog. We are rounding the corner to the very end of Vlogmas. This has felt like the best Vlogmas so far for me. Let me turn that TV off. Can you see what? It's a Christmas film. It's a Christmas film. I am actually running out of Christmas films on my list to review. I was a little ahead and now I'm running out. So I have to watch a few more because I am still doing my daily reviews on Instagram. If you've missed them, I have a whole highlight. If you are super close to Christmas now and you're like, I'm looking for a movie to watch, there's like 50 movies that I've reviewed with some 5-star reviews, or, you know, out of 5-star reviews. It's so cold. I'm gonna get under the blanket to finish the vlog. Yeah, this has been the best Vlogmas for me. I feel like it's just ticked all the boxes and I felt really relaxed about the whole thing. Partly because I did start a couple of days early, so that gave me a little buffer. But I don't know, it hasn't felt like quite so much of a like, oh, I need to do this. I don't know why, but I've really enjoyed it this year. I have hardly uploaded at all on my other channel. But I was thinking, because of that, because tomorrow's my last working day, I might, after Vlogmas ends, do daily uploads on my other channel until the end of December. Because I have got quite a few videos that I wanted to make before the end of the year. And I just never got around to it. And in that little Twixmas period, people will be at home, maybe more time to watch stuff. What do you think? What do you think? I've got things like my final roundup of things that I used the most of in 2025 that were not the beauty, skin, that kind of stuff. Like, you know, things that like entertainment, food, stuff that I wore, that kind of stuff. I want to do my final rundown of my no-buy, like how I found it, what I learned, what I'm going to do for my no-buy/low buy for 2026. I want to do my video because it's now been a full year without drinking. I feel like that's a useful video to do before people do dry January. There's a few things I just wanted to tick off the list. I also wanted to do something with the planner where we did like a vision boardy type thing, but that feels like something that would be fun to do on a live. Let me know what you think. But yeah, for now, we're done, and I will see you in the next one.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chair.